welcome to Soapbox. In this video, I'll show you how to set up goals in Soapbox. In your one-on-one or team meeting workspace, tap Goals. Here we display your active and completed goals. If this is your first time on this page, there won't be any. You'll need to tap Add Goal to set up a new one. So this is a blank canvas where you can create your goal from scratch. Set a fun goal avatar. Describe the purpose of the goal and the outcomes you want to achieve. Set a target completion date. And add in the specific measurable milestones that you want to see along the way. As you work towards your goal, you can discuss the progress from within the comments section. Not sure what goals you should set? Don't worry, Soapbox has you covered. We have collaborated with some of the best-in-class tech companies from around the world to create the largest list of publicly accessible OKRs and goals for the most popular roles in tech. Tap on Suggestions, and you'll have access to over 180 top quality goals. Scroll through the list of departments and roles to find the one that best suits you. In this example, I'll choose Engineering Manager. From here, you can add all of the goals or pick and choose from the list. I'll choose these two. Inside the goal details, you'll see the predefined title and description, as well as the preset milestones. Everything here is customizable, so you can edit and make them feel like your own. So now you're set up, but this is only the beginning. The power of Soapbox really kicks in when your goals appear on your weekly or bi-weekly meeting agendas, making sure you are consistently checking in on your progress. As you stay on top of your goals, your progress will become contagious, and that feeling of accomplishment will start to kick in. This will motivate you to get across that finish line to fully completing your goals, and that's a great feeling to get. And that's the power of Soapbox. Effective meeting and goal management built around how you work to help you and your teams stay engaged, stay highly motivated, and be productive. So get started with Soapbox goals today.